guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing like this black and white almond set. So I'm just taking an old set that I've done before, and here's the video in which I did it right here. So I'll link that down below if you want to see how I did it. I'm just taking this coarse McCart safety drill bit in my e-file and just removing the gel polish so I can have a clean slate. And it's good that it's a safety bit because it is really coarse, so it prevents you from cutting yourself. So today's comment shout out goes to Kai the stylist, and she says, "Okay, these are fire. You are really good at freehanded art. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And honestly, I don't think I'm all that good. I'm just trying to get more practice in. So thank you for leaving a comment, and thank you for your compliment. And let's continue with the nail set." So I'm taking some white gel polish and also some black gel polish, and I'm just going to start on the middle finger. At first I wanted to do a yin yang sign, but then I changed my mind because I didn't know if that was like appropriation or anything like that, so I just changed my mind and I just decided to do like an abstract kind of design. Also, you can see here, I initially started to do it with a dotting tool, but then I'm like, it wasn't really working out, so I went with my McCart #1 brush and just simply doing a random design with the white, and then after that, I'm going to fill it in. So I did have to cure it and go in with a couple more coats, so probably approximately 3 coats. So now on the ring finger and pinky, I'm just going in with plain white gel polish, and I again probably went with 3 coats. And if you make a mess around the cuticle area or the skin or anything like that, just use a brush with some alcohol or some acetone and just clean it up. But honestly, I've been getting so much better with, you know, making like a more clean application, and it just really comes with practice. So for the index finger, I'm just going in with some black gel polish. So yeah, you really have to be careful with this one because it can make a mess all around your skin. And honestly, that's why I hate using like black gel polish, because it can mess up your hands like really quickly. But just be careful and work neatly. And for this one, I probably only needed 2 coats. So right here, I'm just being careful and filling in that empty space with the black gel polish. And then after that, I'm going to cure it and then go in with another coat. So on this white nail, I'm going to do a smiley face, and on the black one, I'm going to do a sad face. So using my dotting tool, just 2 dots, and then using my cart number 1 brush, I'm just going to create the mouth, and I'm curing in between when needed. But for some reason, it just comes off really, really creepy. I don't know what I did wrong with this smiley face. It kind of looks like that face, that guy from that video game Pathologic. It's like really creepy. I don't know if you guys are familiar with it. But anyways, yeah, I'm curing in between, and then after that I'm going on to the black nail, my index finger, and going to use my cart number 1 brush to create the X's for the eyes and the frowny face. So yeah. So again, I probably needed maybe 2 or 3 coats just so it's opaque, and I cured in between. So the more I started playing with the smiley face, the more creepy it got. So it looks really, really scary to me. But anyways, I cured that and then I added some top coat. I'm not sure if I recorded that or what, but yeah, right here I'm adding some cuticle oil. And I really love almond nails, and I love this style. Like, it's very trendy and really in right now, and I feel like I would wear this on a day to day if I could. So yeah, that's essentially it for today's video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.